Hi. We are going to create the simple KivyMD app splash screen. If you are just getting started with Kivy, then I would recommend you also watch the video above. I will be uploading almost daily Kivy app examples, so ensure that you're subscribed to get new uploads notifications. Alright, let's start by looking at the project folder. We have 2 Python files and 2 Kivy files. Inside the assets folder we have a PNG and a GIF image. All 4 files are blank. So now we are going to start by setting up the hot reloader. A hot reloader will give us a live preview of what we are designing. For more information about the KivyMD hot reloader class, click on the link above. The hot reloader will load and display the splash screen.kv file, so any changes we make to this file will be shown on the hot reloader. Now let us design the splash screen interface. We are done with the splash screen interface. Now let us design the main screen. We need to update the hot reloader to load the main screen interface file. Now after designing the 2 interfaces, we need to set up the main Python file to load the 2 interfaces, then transition from splash screen to the main screen on app startup. We are going to achieve this by using the screen manager class and a clock schedule to delay the transition. That's the basic way of setting up the app splash screen for your KivyMD app. In the next video I will show you the simplest way to set up your KivyMD project, so stay tuned. That's all for this video. If it was helpful, leave a like and a comment. You've been watching Spin TV. Till next time, bye bye.